Cloud filling is simple to stitch and creates a lovely effect. Begin with staggered rows of small stitches lined up to create an alternating pattern. These stitches provide a base for weaving the thread in the next stage. For the second stage, bring the needle up at the end of the first row and weave the thread under the last stitch of the row without piercing the fabric. Then take the needle down to the last stitch of the second row and weave the thread underneath before travelling back up to the first row. You're now weaving the thread in a zigzag pattern between alternating stitches from the first and second rows. The needle only weaves underneath the small stitches and never pierces the fabric until you have completed these rows. When you reach the end of the row, take the needle through the fabric and bring it up next to the first stitch on the third row. Begin weaving in a zigzag pattern again as before, this time travelling up towards the second row so that the thread has passed through the second row twice. I've started weaving from right to left, but you can use whichever direction is most comfortable. Whichever direction you choose first, you'll stitch from the other direction when you start the next row. Continue to weave the thread between the alternating stitches, changing direction each time you reach the end of a row. The pattern will emerge as you weave the thread. The diamond pattern will appear more stretched or more curved depending on how you space the small stitches. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.